feels too great when you are in one of the India's top hotel management institutes, and I'm very excited that what is going to happen with me in the next 3 years. A huge transition from a small student to a new chef life would be a very new thing for me in this particular institute. So, yes, very much excited to know what is going to happen next in these 3 years. And all thanks to Fool's Den, which brought me till here. Starting with your preparation stands as a big question for everyone. So, in my case, when I started with my preparation, I just passed my 10th class. Um, I was already a school student. That's why my parents suggested me to join a coaching institute because that will definitely help me out when I would be all struck with my boards and all other things. So, in case you are a school student like me who is thinking to start with this preparation, I'll definitely tell you to join a coaching institute. Coaching institute doesn't make any difference, but it will definitely let you to think about yourself and some of your burden, which will be lightened by your teachers also. So, requirement of a mentor is actually the prime. What should I say? It's the prime requirement for any good preparation. So, preparation should be started as early as possible. I'll definitely recommend you. Don't waste your time. Uh, just try to start your preparation as early as possible. It will definitely fetch you out some good results. Managing my preparation with other engagements and schools was not a much difficult thing because in my case the thing was totally different. I used to be a school as well as a tuition attender, a very regular student at both the cases. So the things were like that I definitely got means the Fool's Den team got myself adjusted with such time slots which will not waste my time much. I used to come to the institute just after my school, so the entire team helped me here when I was preparing myself. When I was a student, I stood with droppers. Much of my time was with the preparation of droppers, so I definitely saw that how rigorous preparation goes on. So I'll definitely say that managing my school with my tuition and other things and my preparation was not a much difficult task because the entire team of Fool's Den helped me with this thing. So again, as my week started every week, we had a new schedule to be prepared. Every week we had our different classes which gave us different assignments from the institute, and we did so. Every week there was a mock test for us to test at what preparation level we are having of ours. Continuous motivation by our mentors, which helped us further, and definitely a proper guidance, I must say, which my mentors gave me when I was preparing for my competition exams. So I'll also say, recommend you that at least try to be a bit planned. It will be a very helpful thing for if you are a school student as well as a dropout. It will definitely help you out with your preparation. You need to stay planned in everything and try to be stuck with that plan. You should not get disturbed with it. So okay, that was all about my weekly schedules preparation. Talking about the role of mocks, it's a pretty difficult thing for me to say because I had something called a mixed experience with my mocks. What exactly my mock tests have defined was not my level, but the level of my strategy. So I'll definitely let you know one thing, a very secret thing, what not every person will let you know from my side, that mock tests do not define your level of preparation. They just define the level of your strategies because every mock test is a different one. In some mocks you may score a very good score, and in some mocks you will definitely lose. That's not necessary, but none of these things will define what you have in your actual examination. So And definitely one thing, no mock can replace what an examination can do. So, mock tests were much, in my experience, mock tests were much like a strategy tester for me. It was not a real exam tester. So, appearing for your continuous mocks actually makes you to realize about your strategies. It makes you realize that what improvement you need to make when you are attempting your exams. So definitely I'll say that appearing for a mock is very important for every aspirant, but not in that sense that it will definitely define you can do good or not. But it is important that you need to understand what your strategies goes for, how your strategies are working for you in your matter. So please try to give as regular mocks you can, because it will definitely next define that what kind of strategies you must apply when you are appearing in your competition examinations. Of course, the entire team of Foolsden has a great role when it is about my own preparation. Um this 2 year journey would have been very difficult in case I didn't had a partner in my hand like Foolsden, who always helped me with everything. A great mentorship given by each and every teacher here. They stood with us not as a teacher but always with as a friend, who always understood our problems, that what kind of things we are facing with us and what things are we are facing with ourselves. So all thanks to the team of Foolsden that today I am standing in one of the top hotel management institutes of the country. And it was a great journey for me being a part of the Foolsden family for past 2 years and looking forward for more. And all thanks to the team of Foolsden, because today wherever I am standing, it is all because of the entire team of Foolsden who helped me continuously with every day of my preparation. So, along with my motivation, along with my own strategies, and along with my own mindset, the entire team of Foolsden helped me every day. So, all thanks to the team of Foolsden who gave me a lot of help.